Hello and welcome. Today I like to make for you chicken crispy wings. It's gonna be different recipe than you probably know already. I'm gonna marinate them day before in Nando'S Peri-Peri sauce, which is gonna be really nice taste next day after fry. I hope. I know it's gonna be great. But first of all, I'd like to ask you to subscribe my channel. Now, I'm gonna wait for you. By the way, press the bell and turn notification on. Done? Thank you. Like I said, we have to marinate our wings day before. Officially, I've got 10 whole chicken wings. I show you how to split them and then how to marinate them, and then next day I will show you everything what we have to do rest before we can fry them. Like I said, I have 10 chicken wings in here. They already washed and cleaned. We have to make the portion now. To do this, what you have to do is literally catch and join between two parts and another join in here. Then we have two pieces. I bought a really great one with some part of the breasting as well, attach it. And again, join here, join here. We're gonna use only these two parts. This part of wing, my dog is gonna eat. She's waiting already. Alright, now we put it back to our bowl. I have in here 2 chopped cloves garlic, quite large. If you got small one, you can use 3 or 4. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add ¼ teaspoon of salt and half bottle of the Nando'S Peri-Peri sauce. I'm gonna use lemon and herb. You can use any spicy. Mix all together. Cover fully and stick to the fridge for at least 24 hours. 24 hours gone. Wings ready to use. What we have to do now, we got 1 egg in here. Add this is teaspoon of the wheat flour. Add them and mix all together. Mix well, make sure everything is covered. I have in here 200 grams of wheat white flour. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of paprika, and 1/4 of spoon salt. Mix. Now what we have to do is add some parts, not much, 3-4 one time. And shake together. Cover. and continue exactly same work with all rest. Okay, we got a few done, we can start fry them. Warm the pan and oil to about 150-160. Basically, oil can't be too hot, otherwise our chicken wings gonna do quick burning from the side and it's gonna be still raw inside with oil. I like to avoid that. That's why it's very important to keep temperature in the middle. As I can see, the oil is fine now. I'll show you how you can check it. Stick some part of the inside. If start really frying, which means the temperature is fine. Right, I dropped the gas down now, as I don't want it to oil get more temperature than now, and we can start fry. Make sure they're all under the oil, all covered. As you can see, they're really slow fry right now. I'm gonna just heat up a bit to fry a bit more, a bit quicker, on a bit higher temperature, but just a bit. The wings need about 15 minutes frying to be ready to eat. What you can do, if you fried already 15 minutes and you have to remove them because they are nice and brown and you find out they are still raw inside or not cooked properly, what you can do is remove them, stick to the oven for another 10 minutes with the temperature about 150-160. Okay, I managed to fry them 20 minutes. Then definitely they're gonna be cooked. It's all about temperature. Look how great they look. Remember, a bit higher temperature on beginning frying, and then drop temperature a bit down. Keep an eye 10 few times and they're gonna be great. Just 1-2 minutes on this high temperature and then going down to 150, 160. And check them, they're nice and brown. Another 20 minutes gone, they're definitely ready to eat now. I'm gonna remove them. Look again how great they are, how looks they are. Look how nice. This is how they look after fry. That looks great, doesn't it? I'm gonna try now. So nice. So soft and crispy. You can do same at home. Just keep an eye on temperature and gonna be exactly same. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy. Please subscribe my channel, turn notification on, press the bell, and see you next time. Bye.